This opportunity is open for Nigerians to invest their money. Now, the one for this month, which is May, ended today. Yes, it ended today. So, I'm hopefully maybe by next month I'll be coming up here to remind you whenever the opportunity is open. I did that last month, but I didn't do it this month, so I'm sorry for that. So the one for this month May is ending today. Now, one thing about this federal government saving bond is that you are giving your money to the government for them to work and then they pay you your interest. With as little as 5,000 naira, you can also get started. You're also getting your dividend. Now, this federal government saving bond usually lasts for 2 years. Every 2 years, I think the one for this month, 2 years, 16%, then 3 years, 18% also. So if you're a beginner and then you want to start investments, low risk investment, you can start with the federal government saving bond. You're just giving your money to the federal government and then you know that, oh, my money is safe. Nothing is happening to my money. Why? Because it is the federal government that you are giving your money for them to work with. So you guys, this is an investment opportunities that you can start as a beginner. I don't want to waste time in this live, just 15 minutes, yes, so that it will not be boring. Okay. Okay, so these are two investment opportunities that you can start in Nigeria. If you're living in Nigeria, you can start this investment opportunity. The mutual fund, you can start with the Stanbic and then also the federal government saving bond. You can even do that with the Stanbic or you can do it with any other fintech app. And then the last one that I'll talk about, my time is up already. The last one that I'll talk about is saving with any fintech app. You guys, now one thing is that putting your money in the bank will not yield you any interest if it's not fixed deposit actually. Like leaving your money just lying in your saving account will not yield you any interest. If at all, it will yield the interest, just kobo. But when you save your money with a fintech app, you'll be getting your interest. Examples, you can start with the Optimus, you can start with the Cowrywise, you can start with the Piggyvest. But the one I'm using is the Optimus. I used Cowrywise, I've used Cowrywise before, but I stopped. Why? Because their their interest rate is not really encouraging for me, but there are people that can actually use that. But the one I'm using now is the Optimus. So you can save with a fintech app. If you're saving your money there, you are getting your daily interest, you are getting your monthly interest. You can decide to lock your money for a period of time. Maybe you create a target. Yes, that's okay. I'll withdraw this money at the end of the year. They have their own interest. For Optimus, I think 18%, right? The one I did just last month, I think it was 18%. I said last, okay, no, this month, yes, May. From May to December, I think that was 18%. So you can start saving with fintech app with as low as 5,000 naira, with as low as 1,000 naira. So guys, these are three investments that you can start in Nigeria with as a beginner. So these are three investments that you can start in Nigeria as a beginner. You can do the federal government saving bond, and then you can do the normal savings with the fintech app. So guys, that's the end of the live for today. So hopefully by next week I'll also come up here and then share with you guys um, tips, investment tips, saving tips, budgeting tips, business tips, how you can better your finances, how you can better your income this year, 2025. So till I see you guys in my next video, my name is Miracle. Remain blessed. Bye. Please, guys, don't forget another thing before I go. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Drop me a comment. Yes, drop me a comment. Thank you for those that joined me today. Kabiru, thanks so much. John and then Favor, thank you so much for joining me in this live today. So please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm begging you. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, drop me a comment, share my videos also.